In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account with Flipkart. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download the Flipkart app via the Play or App Store. Then from there, open up Flipkart. Now, once the app opens, you'll be greeted with this page here. So you need to choose your language. So I'm English speaking, so I'm going to click English, then click continue. You can skip all these steps if you like. So you can put in your phone number or use email ID. I'm going to go ahead and use email ID. So I'm going to put in my email here. So tutorial whiz. All right, I'll put in my email address. Then I'm going to click continue. And then it will say log in to get started. So I'm going to use email ID again. So I'm going to put in my email address again. Then I'm going to click continue. All right, it looks like you need to put in your phone number as well. So go ahead and put in your phone number and then continue to the next step. All right, so once you put in your email address and phone number, by the looks of it, you'll be brought to the home page. Now from here, we need to click on account down below. And that's it, guys. That's how you create an account with Flipkart.